Okay guys, we are on page 207, checking the problem set. You have hopefully had a chance to finish the video and take notes, and now we will apply those skills that you learned and to our problem set. All right, let's go ahead and look at number 1 and skip down to B. It just says solve. We're gonna solve by looking at like units. I have 4 ones and 3 ones. I can easily add those together to get 7 ones. I have 1/4 and 2/4. I can easily add those together to get 3/4. So my answer is 7 3/4. My denominator is smaller than my numerator, so I think I can leave this one alone. There's really not much I can do to that. All right, now I have 2 and 2 6 plus 6 and 4 6. I'm gonna add my 2 ones to my 6 ones. That's gonna give me 8 ones. 2 6 plus 4 6 is gonna give me 6 6. Well, 6 6 is a whole, right? So I can take this out and turn this into 8 plus 1, which equals 9. Number 2 says solve. Use a number line to show your work. A was already done for us. We're going to skip down to B. Actually, we're going to use A isn't all the way complete. So we'll practice this one using the number line that's here. We're adding 2 and 4/5 plus 1 and 2/5. All right, let's find 2 and 4/5 on the number line. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 2 and 4/5. I'm adding 1 whole and 2/5. I'm going to start by adding my whole. I know a whole is 5/5, so I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would be 1 whole. So that's plus 1, and then 6 more fifths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not 6/5. Oh my goodness, I made a mistake. I was looking at the answer. 2/5. Scratch that. I'm going to rewrite this underneath the number line. So I went to 1 whole, and I'm going to add 2 more fifths. 1, 2, which lands me at 4 and 1/5. So my answer should be 4 and 1/5. We can add, looking at our wholes again. Well, when I added 4/5 plus 2/5, I got 6/5. I can pull apart 5/5 and 1/5. I would add that 5/5 to 3 to get 4, and then I'm left with 1/5. Let's go to B. We don't necessarily have to use the number line to show our work. We're gonna do this without the number line unless you need it. I'm gonna start with my like units. I have 1 1 and 3 ones. That gives me 4 ones. 3/4 plus 3/4 gives me 6/4. This is an improper fraction right here, so I know there's at least 1 whole in there that I can pull out. 4 plus 4/4 plus 2/4 is what would be left over. I know that 4/4 is equal to 1 whole, so I can say 4 plus 1 equals 5. With 2/4 left over. Let's look at C. 3 and 3/8 plus 2 and 6/8. I'm going to add my like units. 3 ones plus 2 ones gives me 5 ones. 3/8 plus 6/8 gives me 9/8. Well, again, the denominator is smaller than the numerator. I'm going to see how many wholes I can pull out of this. I can pull out 8/8, which is equal to 1 whole, and that leaves me with 1/8. 5 plus 1 whole is 6 and 1/8. Let's turn the page. All right, I'd like for you to give, let's see, let's scratch out 3. And go to number 4. I'd like you to give number 4 a shot on your own before checking your work. If you need to pause the video for a minute, you can. And then come back. All right. We're going to start by adding like units. 1 whole plus 3 wholes equals 4. 3 plus 4/5 equals 7/5. I know I can pull a whole out of here. 4 plus 5/5. If I take 5/5 out of 7, I'm left with 2/5. That's going to give me 4 plus 1 whole is 5 and 2/5. We have 2 and 6/8 plus 3 and 7/8. That's going to give me 5 and 13/8. I know I can pull at least 1 whole out of this. I'm going to pull out 8/8. 13 minus 8 is going to give me 5/8. 5 plus 1 is 6. So your answer is 6 and 5/8. C is 3 and 8/12 plus 2 and 7/12. That's going to give me 5 and 15/12. I know I can pull a whole out of 15/12. If I pull out 12/12 from 15, I'm left with 3/12. 5 plus 1 whole is 6 and 3/12. All right, once you're done checking your work, you can go to page 209 and do your exit ticket. When you're done with your exit ticket, please turn it in and get on Zern. Have a great day, guys.